Okay, so now what I want to do is talk about what's going to make your offer special. So there are three things that you could do. Number one, you could provide a discount. Pretty straightforward. You've seen this done before. Option number two is that you could offer special bonuses. And then option number three is that you could combine the two. Now, I'm going to show you in future videos how you can use all of these, but we're going to focus first and foremost on the one that is easiest, and it's going to get you the quickest result, and that's going to be on the discount. So item number one is that to make your offer special, you're going to offer a discount. Now, on to the next thing. The fastest way of all the things that I've ever seen in marketing, one of the fastest ways to get more buyers and more sales is a deadline. This works more consistently than anything else that I've ever seen. It gives people a reason to buy now. Now, you don't need to take my word for it. You can take the word of Amazon.com. You see, their biggest sales day is an event called Prime Day, and that's when everything has a deadline. There's both urgency and a deadline. There's a specific quantity remaining, and there's a time-based deadline. And in fact, deadlines work so well that Amazon has special deals sprinkled throughout their website every single day, and they have deadlines on these deals. And why does Amazon do this? They test everything. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't increase sales, if it doesn't increase revenue, they don't do it. And if it does work, they keep using it. And deadlines work. Now, I could show you case study after case study after case study after case study. But the bottom line is that deadlines just work. In fact, your offer isn't a special offer. It isn't truly special unless it has a deadline. Because think about it, if you see something that's available, even if it has a discount, it may be different than what is offered somewhere else in another page of the website. But if there's no deadline, then you can get it anytime. So is it really special? So to sum up, the two things that we're going to focus on in the next video is implementing a discount and a deadline in a powerful 1-2 punch so that you can increase conversions and have people coming through your funnel as new leads and quickly making a purchase right away. So let's go ahead and jump into that next video.